So today we are going to learn about viewport and window port. The basic thing, the simple thing that we're gonna do today, we're gonna do a window to viewport conversion. Now let's see. So let's have some basic idea about what is a window, what is a viewport. Window is everything that we visualize in real world. So window is basically real world visualization, right? And suppose we want to frame that real world visualization into a viewport, into a screen, then it's called a viewport. And window is actual visualization. ठीक है? तो सपोज एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. लेट अस इमेजिन कि खिड़की है, खिड़की से हम लोग बाहर कुछ देख रहे हैं. ठीक है? सपोज खिड़की से हमने बाहर कुछ देख रहा है. यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट, एक चिड़िया दिख रही है. सो अ बर्ड ओवर. ठीक है ना? उसको हम लोग एक फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस में हम लोग अब दिखाना चाहते हैं. ठीक है? एक स्क्रीन में हम लोग दिखाना चाहते हैं. ये हमारे पास स्क्रीन है. इस स्क्रीन में वो चिड़िया कहाँ पे दिखेगी? दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? सो दिस इज अ गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग अ विंडो टू अ व्यू पोर्ट. सपोज ये बर्ड यहाँ पे दिखती है अगर, तो इस बर्ड का यहाँ पे जो कोऑर्डिनेट होगा, ठीक है, इट विल बी कॉल एक्स डब्ल्यू वाई डब्ल्यू. क्योंकि विंडो है तो आई एम राइटिंग इज एज डब्ल्यू, एक्स डब्ल्यू वाई डब्ल्यू. एंड फॉर दिस viewport I am mentioning it as xv yv. okay now how to convert this into this, right? So for converting this we need to have some basic idea about its coordinates. ठीक है? तो suppose this is a coordinate minus x v mean minus x v x w max minus x w mean. This is scaling factor for x, and scaling for y is yv max minus yv mean by yw max minus yw mean. So that is, what is Sx? Sx is the change in value of viewport for unit change in value of window port, value of x, and xy is the change in value of y of viewport for unit change in value of window port, right? So it's clear till now, I hope so. Now how to get this point? It's area. So how to get the position of this board in terms of x and y. Okay. Now let us first try to get the position of x coordinate of this bird, right? X coordinate of the bird in the window is xw. So I want to find the x coordinate of the bird in the viewport, that is xv. So I need to find xv. So what will be xv? xv will be xv mean, means this bird is some distance away from xv mean, right? So xv mean plus I will add a certain distance, right? I will add this certain distance which I don't know over here, right? So how much this distance will be? This distance, ye distance, what is the relation between this distance and this distance? They're related. How? They're related to each other by the scaling factor Sx. So what is this distance? This distance is nothing but xw minus xw mean, isn't it? This distance, it's xw minus xw mean, because this is xw mean and this is xw, right? And multiplied with the scaling factor which is Sx for x coordinates. Similarly, what will be yv? What will be yv? Yv mean plus yw minus yw mean into sy. Clear? So just यहाँ पे yw में और यहाँ पे xw में and यहाँ पे yw में just put the values of xw and yw, and other values will be obtaining since xw mean, xw max, yw mean, yw max, and other spans of viewport are given as well. So we just need to put the value, just need to put this coordinate of this bird and we can get the coordinate of bird in the viewport. Simple. So let's do a small problem on the above on the learned tutorial on viewport window port. So this is the question. It has been told that consider a viewing window of upper left corner 2080 and lower right corner as 8040, and a viewport with upper left corner and lower right corner as 6040. So let's see how we can do it. I have done it for you guys. Solve the problem. So upper left corner is how much? 2080. So upper left corner, it's a window and it's a viewport. Upper left corner is 2080 and lower right corner is 8040. So considering this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So x mean is 20 and y max is 80. Considering this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So x max will be 80 and x mean will be 40. Clear? So same applies for viewport. For viewport, the lower left corner is 3060 and upper left corner is 3060 and lower right is 6040. So same applies over here as well. We can write xv mean. What will be xv mean then? It will be 30 and xv max 60 and yv mean 40, yv max 60. So we have it now with us, and we gonna find the coordinates. We're gonna find the coordinates of certain points that we are being given. Viewport. So these are my x, w and yw, right? So these are my xw, yw. So xw is 30 and yw is 70. So xw is 30 minus, what is my x w mean? My x w mean is, my x w mean is 20. Sorry, I write it wrong. It's my xv mean is 30. My xv mean is 30, and sx is half, right? So if I calculate it, I'm getting 30 plus 10 into half, that is 35. So xv is 35. Now if I get to calculate yv, means for viewport value of y, same formula, yv mean, yw minus yw mean into s5. So what is yv mean? Yv mean is 40 plus yw. What is yw? Yw is 70 minus, what is yw mean? Yw mean is 40. Yw mean is 40. Sorry. So yw mean is 40. I have it along with me, the data. So it's 40 plus 30. Sorry, into half. I need to do half over here. So it's 30 into half. I get 15. That is 40. That is 55. So we have the value. So we have calculated the value, which is the coordinate, that is 35, 55. That means if there is a point 30, 70 in the window, and if I want to represent it in my viewport, then the coordinate of that point will be 35, 55 on my viewport. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it.